How'd you do? That was 25 pennies. Did you observe that it was easier with a stack of pennies than with just one penny? Why is that? Well, a stack of pennies has more inertia. How do we measure inertia? By its mass. So the more massive something is, the more inertia it has. So why is it that it was easier when it had more inertia? Well, let's look at it. So when I stack the pennies up there, nice stack, has a decent mass to it, that means it has a greater tendency to remain at rest, right? That's inertia. Objects at motion tend to stay in motion. Objects at rest tend to stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force, okay? Now that outside force in this case could be from the card making them move sideways, right? I have to apply a little horizontal force to make the card shoot out from under it. Well, that little horizontal force that affects the pennies doesn't do much to the stack of pennies if they have a lot of inertia, right? So the bigger the stack, the more inertia, the less effect that card will have on that stack. So once the support force of that card is removed from the pennies, they fall straight down due to gravity and into the cup. So let's talk about inertia in car crashes. Objects at rest tend to stay at rest, and objects in motion tend to stay in motion. So if a car is going 30 miles per hour, so are you. That's a lot of inertia. And it's going to take a lot of outside force to stop you.